This is one juice that you need to add to your juice recipe. Trust me, it's super healthy and you will absolutely love it. Let me walk you through how you can put it together. I started by juicing the orange. I will leave the exact amount of ingredients that I used in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it. I will set the orange juice aside and move over to the second ingredient. Our second ingredient is beetroot. I'm going to cut it into cubes for easy blending. The third ingredient is ginger. I cut it into small pieces for easy blending as well. I transfer the beetroot and the ginger into the blender. I fill it up with water, cover it and give it a good blend. When I tell you that this juice is super healthy, believe me guys, you need to go and give it a try. With the help of sieve, we are going to get rid of the chaff and keep the juice, and I sieve it couple of times so I can get a very smooth juice without any chaff, alright? I also sieve the orange juice as well because I don't want any particles in my juice. I like when I'm drinking juice, everything should just go down without any obstacles, alright? But that is optional. You can just throw the orange juice inside the beetroot. It doesn't matter. Give everything a good mix and that is it guys. It is super simple to put together, absolutely healthy and it's super refreshing. Trust me guys, look at the color is popping. Transfer it into your jar and then you can keep it in the fridge to chill a little bit, or you can just go ahead serve it straight away. You guys, it's absolutely amazing. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.